What's up guys, and welcome to my food vlog. Now in my last video I unboxed the Proscenic T31 AirFryer, and in this video I will be cooking a rotisserie whole chicken in this air fryer. Now I picked up a small 1 kg chicken from my local supermarket. We are going to start off by marinating the chicken. Now the marination I'm going to be using is my mother's old recipe using some basic ingredients. This recipe has been passed on, so it's like family tradition. I'm going to share it with you. It's a really easy, simple, but very tasty marinade. You can use it for all sorts of roasting and grilling meats, etc. So starting off with 1 tablespoon of butter in a bowl, add a tablespoon of salt, then add about 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. You can use fresh or bottled, but we're using the bottled version for convenience. Then add garlic and ginger paste, which you can buy ready-made, and you just need to add about 2 tablespoons full. Thereafter add a teaspoon more of ginger powder, add a teaspoon of black pepper, mix it all up, then add a teaspoon of olive oil. Put it in the microwave for a few seconds to melt the butter, then continue mixing, and then go ahead and add the whole chicken into the bowl. Now flip the chicken a few times to soak it into the marinade, then grab a sharp knife and stab the chicken breast part a few times so that the marinade can seep through, and then go ahead and mix the chicken up into the marinade, flipping it over a few times. Probably best to use your hands to do a thorough job. Next step, put the entire bowl in the fridge for at least 1 hour. The longer it stays in the fridge, the more tastier the chicken will be, so definitely don't skip this part. Alright, so 2 hours in the fridge and we are now ready to cook. Grab the rotisserie fork and insert it right through the chicken and secure one side of the chicken with the fork. Do the same on the other side, making sure the chicken is secure within the fork. Now the original string that kept the chicken together, get it and tie it up again like it was originally. If you're not sure, just watch the video on how I'm doing it to give you a better idea. Okay, so insert the drip tray right at the bottom of the air fryer. You're definitely going to need that if you want to keep your air fryer clean. Grab the entire rotisserie fork and connect it to the rotisserie connection inside the air fryer. Now you'll notice that my chicken is slightly aligned to the right, so I had to readjust it so I have it centered for a better cook. To start cooking, just select the chicken icon and hit the start button. It's as simple as that. The temperature and the time will be adjusted for you, so it's a preset basically. You could even grab your phone and do the same from there. Select chicken and start, or even schedule it to start later on. The phone will even show you how long is left for convenience. Okay, so 45 minutes are done, but I actually cooked it for another 30 minutes as I like my chicken cooked a bit well. And look at that, guys. Oh man, that smells so good. It looks so juicy. Now I've made roast chicken many times in an air fryer before and it kind of dries up, but look at that. Chicken looks so juicy. As the chicken is constantly turning, it does not get a chance to dry up. So let's just get this out of the oven using the supplied tongs and give it a taste. Can't wait to tuck into this one. Alright, so tasting time finally. I already know this is going to taste good with that amazing smell, and looking at that juicy chicken, I love how it was just so easy to cut. It more or less fell apart with ease. And after tasting this chicken, I have to say, this is one of the best rotisserie roasted chickens I've ever made in an air fryer. Absolutely delicious. It's actually hard to believe that this came from an air fryer. Let me know what you guys want me to cook next in this air fryer, or even in general. Stay tuned, lots more to come. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you all next time.